Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the 5th Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on yes, still a Monday, September the 28th, 2020, the first binary Sudoku, because we have today two binary Sudokus. Binary Sudoku 1 is this one, and this will be number 16337. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright. So let's get started. I see here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here and O, there and O. Double one here and O, there and O. Double one here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double one here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double one here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one here and O, there and O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare, I think. Need to compare. Do we have no 1001? Let me see. 1001. Double O here, 1. Yes, this row and that row. We have here empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Do we need to compare again? Yes. Let's compare. 1 1 Yes, the second row and this row. Empty box. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Yes. This is yeah. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second binary puzzle, binary puzzle number 2. See you later. Bye bye for now.